Hello, good morning. Once again, I'm Austin Oseke. I'm happy to be with you this morning. I hope you're having a wonderful time. The year is running very close to an end, and I know we are all busy with one activity or the other because we have to end the year well. For that notwithstanding, we have to really get to know some important things that will help us live better lives as usual. And one of those things I would like to discuss today is about supplements. A lot of you must have heard so much about supplements. A lot of times, it's more like the confidence we have them have gradually gone, and we do not think they are that good anymore. By the way, supplements, otherwise known as food supplements, are things that we take to improve our health. They are not considered as drugs because back in those days they are part of what we eat as food condiments. But because the world is changing and the environments are different, things don't circulate the way they should. And of course, we're in the cities, not in the villages anymore. Some of these things are hard to get, and that's why some people have tried to overcome this challenge by creating them in supplements. Something as simple as bitter leaf has become supplements. You must have been aware that some countries came to Nigeria, get bitter leaf, took it back, ground it, and the powder are encapsulated and sold as supplements. Of course, that's one dimension of it. But one thing is, the question we want to ask ourselves this morning is, are supplements safe? Yes, they are, and no, they are not. It all depends on what you are taking. I have taken some time to do some research about supplements, and I realized that not all of them are that safe. Of course, we're in a world where we have a lot of dirty things being done just to make money and all that, and you cannot guarantee the quality apart from even not guaranteeing what exactly you are taking. So it is important that to take a safe supplement, you have to do your own research and you try to get them from the right sources at the same time. Because without this, you may be taking something that might be poisoning your system. And of course, based on your gender, your age, and your environment, your needs for supplements may vary. Even your physiological state determines the kind of supplements you take. A pregnant woman requires a different kind of supplement from a menopausal woman. So also a man who has some health conditions, maybe prostate cancer, will require some special kinds of supplements, and so children they require different kinds of supplements. So I like to tell you that it's not just enough to want to take one supplement or the other. It's important to do a little bit of research, and if you want to know more about supplements and the bad areas, the gray areas, the do's and don'ts, the caution you want to exercise, do not hesitate to reach me because I want this video to be as short as possible. So till I come your way next time, do have a pleasant day and Merry Christmas in advance. Happy New Year in advance. Bye.